Yo, check the clock, it's 2 a.m., I'm rolling heavy. Got 80,000 pounds of toilet paper, that's a whole levy. Slam the monster, eyes are wide, I'm hunting for the miles. My rig's so clean, you could eat off the chrome smiles. Pulled into a truck stop, and the fuel lines are seen. Every pump's got a pre-trip guy acting like a machine. He's kicking tires, tapping lug nuts, checking all the lamps, while I'm just trying to grab a coffee and escape the camps of the lot lizards. I'm talking about the lot squatter, the guy who takes 3 spots just to park his tiny plot. A cashew, brittle wrapper, and a pillow with the same. Welcome to the life, boys, the pleasure and the pain. 10-4 rubber ducky, what's your 20 chief? Got the CB static giving my eardrums grief. Got the protein shakes, the jerky, and a 2-liter of Dr. Pepper. Gotta hit that way station, hope I don't look like a leper. Yeah, we got them tendencies, the slow lane lurker, the coffee spiller, the midnight burrito worker. Yeah, driving down the interstate, sun's a golden glow. See a 4-wheeler trying to pass me, moving mighty slow. He cuts me off, then slams his brakes, cause he saw a deer. I tap the horn, the blaring sound is all he's gonna hear. Gotta find a parking spot, that's the real daily test. It's 5 p.m. and every lot is filled with sleeping pests. You got the reefer truck, the rattling fridge is singing loud. You got the dude that idles his engine for the whole darn crowd. And there's the guy on the CB radio, talking nonsense deep about his ex-wife and the shortcut that he couldn't keep. I flipped the switch, I mute the static, gotta keep my cool, cause out here on the road, man, I stick to the golden rule. Don't talk politics and definitely don't mention pie unless it's apple heated up beneath the open sky. 10-4 rubber ducky, what's your 20 chief? Got that CB static giving my eardrums grief. Got the protein shakes, the jerky, and a 2-liter of Dr. Pepper. Gotta hit that way station, hope I don't look like a leper. Yeah, we got them tendencies, the slow lane lurker, the coffee spiller, the midnight burrito worker. I got my fuel card, my logbook, my 5 pairs of Crocs. My dash is littered with receipts and little cardboard boxes. I tell myself I'm gonna be healthy, I'm gonna start fresh. Then I hit the gas station and grab a bag of checks, mixed mesh. Gotta stretch my back, crack my neck from sitting in the seat, then hop right back in, cause the deadline can't be beat. Yeah, the deadlines, the inspectors, the truck stop shower lines, but nothing beats the open road past all those exit signs. Rubber ducky, what's your 20 chief? Got that CB static giving my eardrums grief. Got the protein shakes, the jerky, and a 2-liter of Dr. Pepper. Gotta hit that way station, hope I don't look like a leper. 10-4, what's your 20 chief? 10
This is like if that blue oyster shit met that Afghan kush I had, and they had a baby, man. Meanwhile, that crazy Northern Light stuff I had, and the super red espresso, snowflake met and had a baby. And by some miracle, those 2 babies met and fucked. It's with the shit that they birthed.